All right, Jay Woods here at KTAuthentics Sports Wrangling Cards. We're going to do a box of 15-16 select for Sports Cards 777. Out of 299, Ezekiel Graham, Marcos Rojo. 152 of 199. Yeah, it's choppy on my end. I can't really do it. I've turned everything off. It's just how the site's going. Just gotta get through it. Alright, we got Gervino, orange, 53 of 149. Robin Van Persie, 32 of 149, orange jersey. Robin Van Persie. Purple, Yaya Toure. Yaya's 93 of 99. Red, Asmir Begovic. That is 85 of 199. All right, let me see if I can. This is bothering me too. Let me see if that worked any better. We got a blue Robin Van Persie. That is 203 of 299. Nice. Out of 125, Bobby Carlton. Historic signatures for England. Bobby Carlton. Blue, Javier Hernandez. The site did. It's all over. 105 of 299. Guys, nothing I can do. It's the site upload speed. I'm off of the. I'm not dual casting anymore, guys. I tried everything. It's the site at this point. Red, Kareem Benzema. 91 of 199. Korlov camo, that's out of 249. Select Soccer broke it. Thiago Silva blue, Ultimate Team. 95 of 299. And your last pack, Sports Cards. Dempsey equalizers, dynamic duos, Vidal Sanchez. Yaka Blakowicz and Rossi. All right, thanks again, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, man.